input and RS485 and Ethernet and the Wi-Fi. And here you can see how install the D16 dimmer controller into the power distribution box and with the driver and with the lamp. And at first, you can use the wall switch to control the lamp on and off. This is basic function. And every button this time just use one. You can see here have 6 buttons. And the back, you can see here that is 6 line and the 1 common line. So totally have 7 lines. That will be easy for connect with the dimmer controller. And here you can see some different wall switch. So this wall switch, you can use a different button and control one lamp. Because sometimes maybe your lamp need to install the wall switch in different room. So some different place and use the buttons, you can control one lamp. That will be easily for the dimmer controller just to connect all wires together. No limit how many panels can be used. And here you can see we can use button for short click for lamp on and off. But this time we have multi-functions for one button. You can see I can hold on the button and the lamp brightness will be changed. So I hold on this button and the brightness will from down to up and up to down and down to up. So it just will loop. So if I don't release my finger, that will be always change the brightness. Until you release the finger, that will be stopped. So that the brightness value will be saved. And here we can see that is another function. We can save the brightness state. You can say I hold on and the brightness state is saved. When I short click on and off, that will be on, turn on the lamp and use the last time the value of the brightness. I hold on and let the brightness become up. And this time we can let the lamp is brightness up. When I release my finger, we can see now I can short click and the lamp will be on and off. As the set, we have saved the brightness value. So this is remember function for the brightness after hold down the buttons. Okay, now let's look at the 433 MHz remote. So that can be control the lamp on and off for every channel. This 6 gun buttons version. And also you can use other remote. This is 8 buttons version. So you can also turn on the lamp and turn off the lamp by one key. So you just prepare with your remote by yourself. And this time, the dimmer controller will support using local network. So we can use mobile phone just logging with the IP address of the controller. So you can see here the brightness bar. You can control every channel of output. So just in local network, you can use your iPhone or use your Android phone, use your web browser to control the 16-channel output and without install any application. So that will be useful. And also we can use PC, computer, or use your Apple Macintosh. So also we can use the web browser and input the IP address of your dimmer controller and just enter in the web browser. So you can see this is login information. Use your username and the password and log in to your control panel. And now we can see the 16 channel can be controlled. We can just use this brightness bar to control brightness up and change different brightness by your mouse on the computer. This is Tuya application. You can download from the Google Store or Apple Store. So you can enter the dimmer controller control panel, and this time you can use the window to control 16-channel output. You can see this is switch button. You can turn on and turn off. And this will, when you turn on, that brightness will 99%, that is max brightness. Also, you can use the brightness bar to control the different value of different output channel. So you can see we can change the brightness by this bar Here we can use the voice control by the speak. So you can see here is Amazon, Alexa, Echo speak. Also you can use Amazon other speak. And this is Google Home Mini. Also you can use the Google Home Speak other module. So this just I use for the test.
Alexa, turn on dimmer LED 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off dimmer LED 1.
Okay.
Alexa, set dimmer LED 1 to 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, set LED 1 to 80%.
Okay.
Alexa, set LED 1 to 90%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off LED 1.
Okay.
Now we can use the Tuya application, use the timer function. We just click the timer setting and add a schedule. You can see here, we can set the time. And when the time arrived, the brightness 1 and change to which percent we have set to 50% and click save. And when the time is arrived and the lamp will set to the 50%, you can see here that is running. And here we can use the group control mode. You can create things that tap to run so that you can add the actions. We can choose the device and set which switch that is for on. This is channel 1, we just for on, that is change the max brightness. And add a delay because this needs time for every actions. So we can add about 3 seconds for the delay time, and you can choose by yourself. And we can run the device and turn on the channel 2. So this time we just click one icon that will be on, turn on the lamp 1 and the lamp 2. So you can see that will create. So we can click, and here you can see the light 1 is on, and after 3 seconds, and the light 2 is on. So this is group control function. Okay, now you can also use this function to set the different lamp with different brightness value. So you can just use this way to set the device, such as this time, the channel 1 brightness we can set to 39%. Can click, and next we can add a delay time. Also we can add 3 seconds, 4 seconds. And now we can add the second channel that we can set a different brightness value, so that we can use one click and change the different lamp. This is 91. We can click next and save. So you can click this button, and this time you can see the first channel is changed to the brightness 39, and the second is changed brightness to 91. So that will be useful to control different lamp with different value. And here we can see that is another function. You can see here we can turn on the lamp and change the brightness for the lamp 1, and this is the lamp 2, change to another brightness. And this time we can, maybe your controller is power off, maybe the power feature. And this time the D16 channel dimmer controller that will be auto recover state after the power on. You can see here when the power on, the brightness state will auto recover. So this is the auto recover function. And here you can see another function. You can share with your device to your friend or to your family, other friends. So you can see here 2 mobile phone. You can share your device to your user. Just click which user to share. Just click. That will be shared successfully. So you can use 2 mobile phone, control 1 device at the same time, or many mobile phone, 354 all can use. Okay, now let's look at the switch panel and the Tuya application, the state feedback. You can see we can click the switch on and every button for these 6 buttons, and the Tuya application will update the state by the switch icon. So we can turn on and turn off, and the application will update the state for every channel, just you have connected with your switch. And this is for on and off. And this you can see I can hold down this button that change the brightness. Just when we release with the finger, so the brightness will be updated. The value will be changed on your Tuya application. And also we can see this is the RF remote, and when we press on and off from this remote, and the Tuya application also will update the state and the brightness at the same time. So you can see we can control the channel 1 and the channel 2 of the dimmer, and the state will be updated. Okay, at last, I think you will install this D16 channel dimmer controller to your power distribution box. So this box is also made by metal box. You can install on the DIN rail, and that will be support. You can see here, just as this way, and you can install this DIN rail to your power distribution box. That will be easy to fix on the box. Okay, thanks for watching.